Hey, what's up, Jooba people? So this song was just released from Coldplay. It's got this cool intro riff going like this. Just gonna give you a demo, then I'll start explaining about the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really nice song. And in the bridge we got B minor, and then anyway, this song is in DADGAD tuning. Okay, so D-A-D, G-A-D. I think it is. I'll do maybe a standard tuning tutorial, but this is the basically how it is. Really nice tuning, and the opportunity that you have with this tuning that you don't have with other tunings that much, the key of E maybe in standard tuning, but is you can really do nice melodies when you're on the one chord, on the D chord. So you can play around with that, like just octaves, 5th string and 3rd string. Thing to do, and you could also do it with these two strings, 3rd string and 2nd string. That's probably also how they could have done it. I don't know. Yeah. One of my subscribers and dear friend, Chris, he helped me with a 26-hour lesson to put it all together. We did a 30-hour lesson. We did a 30-hour long guitar lesson that I was teaching online for 30 hours. And he's a really cool guy. He plays guitar as well. And he's we're joking, like making a guitar channel where it's like the distracted guitar teacher. It's like, hey guys, today we're gonna learn to play Coldplay. And then just goes into a 10-minute jam session and gets back to the lesson. And then maybe some people will find it entertaining, like if they like the way I play, and then I could make a channel like that. But I think that would be a really nice, can be a nice channel. I mean, I would like a channel like that from a player that I admire. So. But what do you guys think of the new Coldplay album? It's quite nice, eh? think I'm really missing doing the live streams. I think I should set everything up so that I can do that again. That was kind of a really cool thing, that interaction. Then we put the, okay, anyway. So the tutorial, let's just get to the tutorial. So DADGAD tuning, once you've got that down, then you got this. Then you just kind of put this strumming on top of that. Really nice thing to do. You could do it here as well. And then we've got in the pre-chorus, we've got this G chord. So you play G like this, you mute the 5th string. Play an A chord like this. Mute the top string. Both of them are A's. It's just to kind of follow the melody that he's doing. Second time the same in G. It's A sus4. So U, the G, the sharp 4th. So I know, we're only human. I know, we're only human. Let me just listen to what happens then. So the pre-chorus, they do this D sometimes. It's okay, then that just repeats. And then, so we're only you. And then it says, I'm now the planet after the chorus. Very nice. It's a B minor, F sharp, okay, so the bridge goes F sharp minor. You do it like that. Yeah, we could do it. Okay, cool. Have a nice day, guys. That was fun.